Good day, everyone. I'm Faith Resurrection, first year college from BSED Science. And for today's topic, I would like to share with you the content and contextual analysis about the topic of the site of the first Mass. But before that, let us read first the learning outcomes of today's topic. Learning outcomes. At the end of this topic, the learner should be able to, first, to know where the first Mass really happened. Second, to know what religion the Spaniards brought to our country. And third, to evaluate historical context. So, before we proceed on discussing our topic, I prepared a 5-item pretest for you to answer, to be able to know if you have a prior knowledge about the topic. Pretest. Direction. Answer the following questions. Write true if the statement is correct and false if not. Let's proceed to our main topic. Pedro de Valderrama. He is an Andalusian priest, also a Franciscan missionary. He is the one who conducted the first Mass in the Philippines. Francisco Albo. He was the captain of Magellan's ship Trinidad. He was a Greek sailor of the 16th century, born on Greek island of Chios. Antonio Pigafetta. He wrote the first voyage around the world, joined the expedition to the Spice Land led by Ferdinand Magellan. He was born in 1480. When the Spaniards arrived In our country, Raja Colombo and Ferdinand Magellan already had an excellent friendship. On March 29, 1521, the blood pact or Sandokan solidified it even further. On March 31, 1521, an Eastern Sunday, Magellan ordered a mass to be celebrated which was officiated by Father Pedro Valderrama, the only priest who survived the expedition. Following the first mass, the wooden cross was built atop the hill. They prayed the Pater Noster or Ama Namin and Ave Maria or Aba Ginoong Maria again and over according to Pigafetta. On June 19, 1960, Republic Act 2733 was passed, stating an act to declare the site in Magallanes, Limasawa Island in the province of Leyte, where the first mass in the Philippines was held, as a national shrine. It is also known as the Limasawa Law. Also, Imelda Marcos built a shrine at the top of the hill and named it the Shrine of the Holy Cross and the First Mass. After many years had passed, Sonia Zaide recognized Masao in Butuan as the site of the first Christian Mass. The Diary of Antonio Pigafetta, a historian of Magellan's journey, serves as the foundation of Zaide's assertion. Many historians disagree on this, and the debate is prolonged. Masawa versus Masao of Butuan. Masawa of Butuan evidences. First, the name of the place Mazawa. In all of primary sources that we can see about the first mass, and also in Pigafetta's account, the Chronicles of Magellan's voyage, the name of the place has 3 syllables. Like the Masao in Butuan, it has 3 syllables, while in Limasawa, it has 4 syllables. Second, Balanghay. It was mentioned that the king came to their ship in a balanghay. Butuan is now the site of at least 9 excavated balanghay relics. By contrast, Limasawa has no significant archaeological relics or balanghay traditions. Limasawa evidences. Magellan did not go to Butuan to meet the king there, according to Pigafetta and Albo. While in the island of Mazawa, they met 2 chieftains. One is the chieftain of Mazawa and one is the chieftain of Butuan, who was said to be visiting the island. In Albo's account, it says that after planting the cross on a mountain top, 3 islands to the west and southwest can be seen, which matches the description of the southern part of Limasawa. Unlike in Masao Butuan, where only 1 island can be seen. With this, the National Historical Commission of the Philippines has come to the center of this discussion, and they have affirmed that the first mass in the Philippines was held in Limasawa. And that's the end of our lesson for today's topic. Now, let's proceed to the post-test. Answer it on a clean sheet of paper, and after this, send it to my messenger account. You have 1 minute to answer each of the item. Post-test. Direction. Test 1. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What prayers did they pray while raising the wooden cross? What prayer did they pray while raising the wooden cross? A. Glory be and Lord's Prayer. B. Pater Noster and Glory be. C. The Lord's Prayer and Ave Maria. Or D. Pater Noster and Ave Maria. Number 2. It is known as the Limasawa Law. It is known as the Limasawa Law. A. Republic Act number 2733. B. Republic Act number 27333. C. Republic Act number 2833. Or D. Republic Act number 2723. Number 3. What religion did Magellan brought to the Philippines? What religion did Magellan brought to the Philippines? A. Judaism. B. Christianity. Or C. Buddhism. D. Judaism. Number 4. In his account, he described the place where the first Mass was held. In his account, he described the place where the first Mass was held. A. Pedro de Valderrama. B. Ferdinand Magellan. C. Raja Colombo. Or D. Francisco Albo. Number 5. What marked the beginning of Christianity in the Philippines? What marked the beginning of Christianity in the Philippines? A. Battle of Mactan. B. First Mass. C. Treaty of Tordesillas. Or D. Spanish-American War. Test 2. Complete the words with the missing letters. And that's the end of my discussion for today's topic, and I hope to learn something from it. That's all. Thank you for listening.